I remember Kumari and I'm from Bangalore. I have been a part of Vedantu and the Eklavya batch for the past 1 year. I got to know about Vedantu from early when I had qualified. I knew and I was about to attend the camp for IOA, and I took some classes from Chimney, and then after that I joined him for ITJ preparation. I think the biggest reason because of which I chose Vedantu was the teachers. Along with that, I also feel like Vedantu helps you, while even when you're just sitting at home, you don't have to go anywhere. They gave me a lot of personalized attention. They used to take a lot of one-on-one classes, and in those one-on-one classes, they focused on what problems I was facing. So it was just my faults, and wherever I was lacking, that was addressed. And I think because of that, whatever 1 hour or 1.5 hour class we used to have was spent very efficiently.
वो स्ट्रेस्ड रहती थी, उसके स्कोर उसके परफॉर्मेंस उस लेवल के नहीं थे जितना वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. शी हैड सम टारगेट इन हर माइंड, and with the mentoring and guidance from Surinder sir and Chandan sir, actually the smile came back on her face. That was quite important for us as parents to see her smiling again.
Whichever teachers I had from Vedantu, they cared a lot about my scores and they used to guide me to improve that school.